Hello everyone. I just finished treating sine rule in mathematics. Now I am entering cosine rules. These are two different topics in mathematics, and both of them are used in solving any question from a triangle. Okay, if you cannot use sine rule to solve this triangle, then you can make use of a cosine rule, which I will be treating right now. Okay, so please make sure you watch those questions and topic which I just treated. That is a sine rule. Then after watching them, you can now come to watch this cosine rule, right? Then cosine rule says that if we have a triangle like this, okay, if we have a triangle like this and we want to solve any of the side, is either side A or side B or side C, or we want to solve for the angle, is either for this angle here A and angle here C and angle here B, that we can make use of this formula I will be writing now. All right, then if I am looking for this line here, if I am looking for the value of this line which I name A, then cosine rule say I should use this formula to solve it. Now that side A I am looking for is equals to addition of two other sides square, addition of this side which is B square plus C square, then minus 2 times that B and C, 2 times B and C, then cos of the angle opposite to the side I am looking for. I am looking for this side now. Which angle is opposite to it? The angle that is opposite to it is this angle A. Do you understand? So it will now be cos A. If I want to solve for this line, which I name B, it will be B square equals to A, addition of two other sides square, A square plus C square, minus 2 times those two sides A and the C, then cos of angle opposite to the B I'm looking for. What is the angle opposite to B here? Which is cos B. Then if I am looking for C, it will now be C square equals addition of two other sides, which is A square plus B square, minus 2 times those sides A and then B, then cos of angle facing to C, which is C. Now, from this triangle, from these formulas here, I will treat so many questions from triangle using cosine rule. Okay, look at one of the questions on board, which I will treat. Now, the question here say, in triangle ABC, if number 1, A equals to 63 degrees, that is this angle, they have given us this angle here to be 63 degrees, then B, which is this side, to be 23 cm, then C, which is this side, to be 13 cm. Now the question says we should find angle B, that is here, and find angle C, that is here, and also find the side A, which is here. Now, without wasting much of our time, we will make use of these formulas here to get them. It's very easy. All right, now starting from this one, okay, which is the first formula, we are looking for it. The formula has already been stated here. Okay, we will now say A square equals to B is given to be 23 square plus C, which is given to be 13 square, minus 2 times 23 times 13, then cos opposite to the side I'm looking for, which is A, which they have given us to be 63. All right, now moving on, 23 squared is 529 from our calculator. 529 plus 13 squared is 169 from our calculator, minus 2 times 23 times 13. What is the value? 598. then times the angle. That is cos 63 is what from our calculator? 0.454. Okay. Now, then a square equals to what? We now add these two. Okay. And multiply here first. 698, when we add this one, minus, let us multiply here. This time this will give us what? 271.5 when we multiply. Now let's subtract. This minus this will give us what? 426.51. Finding the value of A, we now find the square root of both sides, which is now A will be now making a subject of formula without the square on top. Will now be equals to square root 426.51, which the final answer will be what? 20.7 cm. That is the answer. Now let's look for angle B immediately. Okay. Now we need angle B. Which formula do we use? We should use this one. Okay, because that is where we can get the angle B. Now using this formula now, B is being given, right? B is 23 from here. Okay, 23 square equals to, using this formula, okay, 23 squared equals to A. We have calculated for A to be 20.7 square, then plus C is given to be 13 square, then minus 2 times 20.7 times 13, then cos B we are looking for. Okay, now moving on, 23 square, we have gotten it here to be 529 equals to 20 square. What is it? What is 20.7 square with our calculator? 428.5 plus 13 square. Remember, you have to square this one, all right? Remember, I have to square this, plus 13 square. Then 13 square here is 169. Then minus this times this times this. What will it give us? 538.2. Then cos B. Okay, adding this and this, what do we have now? We will now have 529 equals to, when we add them, what's the value? 597.5. when we add this, then minus 538.2 cos B we are looking for. Now collecting like terms, okay, let this go this side and this come to this side. If this one comes here now, then the sign will change, okay, to be plus. We now have 538.2 cos B equals to, this one is already there, right? We will not change anything. 597.5. Then this will come now change to minus 529. And when we subtract this from this, what will be our answer? 68.5. Okay, now making cos B subject of formula, okay, we now have 68.5 divided by 538.2 equals to, right, it will now be 0.13. okay, then making B subject of formula, we need B. Making B subject of formula, we now have B equals to cos inverse of this value. Cos inverse, this is cos inverse of 0.13. And when we use our calculator to find the cos inverse, what is the final answer?